capability what Medical Council of India is recommending. But average, national average, if you see, it is 459 gram per person per day as far as milk availability is concerned. Glorious journey of livestock sector. Please read word by word. Livestock sector is growing faster than any other agricultural subsector. What I am stating, that is the recorded statement of Government of India. ये मेरा अपना बनाया हुआ कुछ नहीं है. In 2018 and 19, the livestock contributed 32% of total agricultural GDP, 31.6%, that is 2%. So we contributed 31.6% in agricultural GDP, and we invested 1.36% of agricultural GDP on the development of the livestock. All grains plus pulses plus sugarcane put together. Yes. Because there is a stability in Indian livestock sector. Constant and sustainable development despite very limited recognized registered breed of the buffalo. 37 to 39 recognized registered breed of the goats. So it is mega biodiversity, highest milk production with high growth rate. When the growth rate of dairy sector globally was 1.4%, the growth rate of the dairy sector of India in the last 20 years was more than 4%. That 192 million ton of the cattle or 109 million buffalo are producing more milk. It is a technology led. The statement is that the first livestock census was in 1951. In 1951, the cattle population was 155 million. Dairy Science College here. We will also be supporting, helping the strengthening of the cooperative. So this is the not number-led but technology-led enhancement. Another rich point, because India is having rich agrobiodiversity in food production system. 20% of those germ plasms are in India. Similarly, 12% of the total global plant genetic material are in India. Similarly, 10% of the fish genetics of the world we are having in India. All 15 major climate of the world, and it has 20 agroclimatic zones. Out of 60 soil types, India has a 46. This is all our richness for enhancing the food production, for enhancing number one, as far as the most populous country is concerned. Concern is that 80% farmers are marginal. Marginal means they are having less than 1 hectare land and small. The red portion says that 70% farmers are marginal. They are having less than 1 hectare of the land. 17% farmers are small. The land holding is 1 to 2%. 9% are medium. So they are having 5 to 6 hectare. Only 4.94% are large, having 5 and more than that hectare of the land in there. So this is one of the challenge. More and more people are coming to the marginal and reputation of India is magic. I have taken data of 93, 94, 2004 and 5, 2015 and 16, and last data was 2020 and 21. After that, they have not surveyed. Food grain was means that if a person is spending 100 rupees, then out of this 100 rupees, what was the investment for the grains? What was the investment of the dairy products? What was the investment of the meat and eggs? And what was the investment of post-harvest? So one good thing is that last line, there is minimum post-harvest loss in dairy sector, 0.92%. That's all, not even 1%. तो इसमें हमारी भी टेक्नोलॉजी थोड़ी सी है हमारे डेयरी सेक्टर की, लेकिन most of the technologies are for indigenous. If milk is left, we will convert into dahi. If dahi is left, we will convert into ghee. Despite all this glorious achievement in food production system, these are the problems which we are facing. अभी मैं डॉक्टर सरजीत को कह रहा था कि we cannot live for longer time in our glorious history. हमको अभी कुछ परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं? ये नहीं कि हम जब भी आए खाली ग्लोरियस हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात करें कि हमारा एक पेपर नेचर में हुआ था, एक पेपर साइंस में पब्लिश्ड इन a very reputed magazine, India Scan. 31.9 people of Indian population, they live in poverty. More than 1/4 of the total hungry people they are having the home in India. More than 70% of Indian population, they are deficit or they are having deficiency of 50% of the RDF micronutrient. ये गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम है कि every institution, every office can run a crèche where you can support the working mothers with their children. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, मिड डे मील, किशोरी शक्ति योजना, वुमेन वेलफेयर एंड सपोर्ट प्रोग्राम्स, ओल्ड एंड infirm. So contributing in nutrition, we will take some other time. So I will skip all this nutritional value of egg, meat and milk. I will come to the summary part, friends. Livestock, fishery, horticulture will play the major role. Community participation, ownership by society and consumers to play more important role. It is not a vertical order. It is a horizontal working system. और मैं ये सबसे कहूंगा कि हर बार ये मैसेज जरूर सबको बताएं, क्योंकि जो चीजें बार बार कहते हैं ना कि कुएं से पानी निकाल करके आप रस्सी भी पत्थर को काट देती है, तो जब तक ये मैसेज आप सबको कहते रहेंगे तभी ये हर एक आदमी के पास
livestock, children's life, how to actually help women in different stages of life. And sir, it was really a very excellent, outstanding lecture given by you. It has added plenty of knowledge, at least to me. Can we feed 11 billion people in the globe by 2050 using lacto-vegetarian diet, which actually his lecture covers about India's scenario as well as the external scenario. Food and Agriculture Organization of UN has given some data on this. UN itself, United Nations, one has to see alternative ways that how do we actually do things in agriculture differently. In last 5 to 7 years, we have developed 200 acres of biodiversity park using agroecology practices, not agriculture practices, agroecology practices, where community plays a very, very important role.